Now, example 6.8. To simulate car accident, auto manufacturer studied the collision of a moving car with mounted spring of different spring constant. Full stop. Consider a typical simulation with a car of mass 1000 kilogram moving with a speed 18 kilometer per hour on a smooth road and colliding with a horizontally mounted spring of spring constant 6.25 into 10 raised to power of 3 Newton per meter. What is the maximum compression of the spring? Now what happen? One car is there. That car will be having some accident. Then auto manufacturer studied the accident. For that purpose, the auto manufacturer studied a car means car collides on a different spring. Car collides on a different mounted spring, and he can study. Okay, one of that experiment, he can take a car of mass 1000 kg. That car is moving with a speed of 18 kilometer per hour, okay, on a smooth road, and that car will be collides with a horizontally mounted spring. Means car having a mass is 1000 kg moving with a speed of 18 kilometer per hour. That car will be collides on a horizontally mounted spring. That spring having a spring constant is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter. Then what is the maximum compression of the spring? We have to find out the maximum compression of the spring. Now for that purpose, okay, now this is the smooth road. Okay, now this is the horizontally, okay, this is the mounted spring which can be horizontally mounted. Okay, this is the mounted spring which is in a horizontal direction. On that spring the car will be collides on that spring. Okay, now this is the spring and the car will be moving in that direction. The car having a mass is 1000 kg and moving with a speed of 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, the car is moving from here to here, means moving in that direction, and that car is collide on a spring. Then they can ask that how much will be the maximum compression when the car is moving from here to here, means moving in that direction. The car having a some velocity, the car is having a some velocity. That velocity is 18 kilometer per second. Car is moving with a velocity of 18 meter per second. Car is having a some velocity, therefore car is having a some kinetic energy. Now initially the spring is at rest. Initially the spring is at rest when the car is moving in that direction and that car is collides on the spring. Then what happens? Spring will be compressed. Spring will be compressed. In that case what happen? Whatever, when the car is collides on a spring, then whatever the kinetic energy inside that car, means due to that velocity, the car having a some kinetic energy, due that kinetic energy is converted into potential energy of the spring. Means when the car is collides on a spring, the spring will be compressed. In that case, whatever the kinetic energy of the car, that kinetic energy of the car is converted into the potential energy of the spring. Okay, when the spring will be maximally compressed, in that case the total kinetic energy of the car is converted into the potential energy of the spring. Okay, now first write down a given data. What is the given data? Mass of the car is 1000 kg. Okay, speed of the car is 18 kilometer per hour. But do you know that SI unit of speed, SI unit of speed is not kilometer per hour. SI unit of speed is meter per second. We have to convert this 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. This is how we have to convert. 18 kilometer is converted into meter, means 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000. Okay, means this is a 1000 meter and this hour is in denominator. Okay, therefore 1 hour is equal to how many second? 3600 second. Oh, this is the meter per second. Now this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. Now 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 5 are 10. Means the speed of the car is 5 meter per second. Now next, that car is collides on a spring. That spring having a spring constant, that is a small k, is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter. That spring constant is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3 seconds. Okay. Now when the car is collides on a spring, then the kinetic energy starts to convert it into the potential energy of the spring when the spring is maximally compressed. Okay, when the car is collides on a spring, what happens? Spring will be starts to compress. In that case, when the spring will be maximum compressed, in that case, whatever the kinetic energy of the car, the total kinetic energy of the car is converted into the potential energy of the spring. Means at maximum compression, the kinetic energy of the car is converted into the potential energy of the spring. Means at maximum compression, the kinetic energy of the car is totally converted into potential energy of the spring. Means at maximum compression, the total kinetic energy of the car is converted into the total potential energy of the spring. Okay, means the potential energy of the spring is equal to kinetic energy of the car. Means the potential energy of the spring is totally converted into the kinetic energy of the car. Therefore, potential energy of the spring is equal to the kinetic energy of the car. Do you know that potential energy of the spring? What is the formula of potential energy of the spring? That is half kx square. Okay. In that case, the spring will be a maximally compressed. Therefore, x is a maximum. Okay. Spring is a maximally compressed. Compression means displacement is a maximum. Therefore, the potential energy of the spring is half k x maximum square, where k is the spring constant, and kinetic energy of the car is half mv square. Now this half is cancelled. We have to find out what is our aim. We have to find out what is the maximum compression. Okay, maximum compression means x maximum. We have to find out a x maximum. How to find out a x maximum? Now we have to put a x maximum square on one side and remaining other quantities in other side. Therefore, x maximum square is equal to mv square divided by k. Okay, where k is a spring constant. Put all value: m mass of the car, v velocity of the car, and k is the spring constant. Okay, and put all that value and find out a maximum compression. M mass is 1000 kg, v is the 5 meter per second. Therefore 5 square divided by spring constant is 6.25 into 10 raised to power of 3. Spring constant is how much? 6.25 into 10 raised to power of 3. Now this is the 1000 and this is also 10 raised to power of 3 is nothing but a 1000. Okay, this and this will be cancelled. 5 square is nothing but 25. Therefore 25 divided by 6.25. 25 divided by 6.25 is nothing but a 4 meter. Therefore x maximum square is equal to 4 meter. Taking square root on both sides. Then what happen? X maximum is equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but a 2 meter. Therefore maximum compression of the spring is 2 meter. Maximum compression of spring is 2 meters. Now the next example is based on this example only. Okay, now next example, that is example 6.9. What is the example 6.9? That example 6.9 that example they can say that consider example 6.8. Consider example 6.8 means previous example, taking the coefficient of friction mu to be 0.5. okay, means they can say that in previous example we have to take a coefficient of a friction is 0.5 and calculate maximum compression. Okay, now at this same example, okay, this is the mounted spring. Okay, on that mounted spring car is collides. Okay, now on that mounted spring the car will be collides. Okay, in that case what happened in previous example, that is spring. Okay, means the road is a smooth road, but in that case there will be a friction between a car and the road. Then you know that when the car is moving in that direction,